Welcome back, everybody, to Video Games Awesome 4-Play Friday. We're all cooperating with each other to get as many screws as each individual can get.
Yeah, my cooperation.
My cooperation.
Now we're up against a
man.
Oh shit.
big octopus. Octomoth.
Matra.
Don't shoot him. They're just
Oh yeah, they come back.
Guys.
They don't hurt you though. Your own bullets.
When a giant Octomoth
shoot his hands. Or his...
Holy shit.
asks you if you're a god, you say yes.
Obviously. Oh god.
Holy
is he
crap.
taking away our circus?
Yeah, he
Yes,
is. He is.
You have to hit the...
Oh, we have to hit his hands all at once. Teamwork.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it didn't work. Now I'll open my mouth in anger.
He's got more hands. Left.
We really sucked at that first part. Oh no, now
Yeah.
I've only got a whip.
Oh no, I'm using the stupid globber. How do I get rid of it?
No, no. Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, guys. So that we know, let's prioritize with left to right. Because if we're not cooperating on these things,
Huh?
Should hit
we
his
have to be hitting the same one at the same time. Oh, shit.
Should hit his mouth.
Prioritize shooting his mouth.
So what I'm saying is when those octopus things come back out,
Shoot
left
left then,
most,
right?
always. Because there's just going to be too many to even prioritize by the time they come out. I don't know. I'll plug it. If you press and hold L1, R1, it'll automatically target. We'll all target at the same time, the right one. So
There,
I'm out of
shoot
ammo.
lots.
Yeah.
my thing's gonna do it. Oh.
It just fell. And then slow-mo, I couldn't go forward anymore.
Oh, did I get some?
Guys.
Quite as many as me. Anyone for sushi?
Uh-oh. Nice.
Oh,
He's doing
God.
his part.
Her.
Her. She. It.
Look out, child.
Ooh.
That was amazing.
Yeah, just
Starts.
right through the brain.
Like that
What's
scene
going on
from
there?
Starship
Yeah.
Troopers. Doesn't look right.
Oh yeah.
I'll always love you, Rico. Wow, you're a real dick there, Ben. Hang on, guys.
Ben, you are a dick. Fucking asshole. That's what you are. You know what else you are? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
That was me.
You're
I was trying to kill him.
Pick up my shoe. Set them on the ground. What? Have you seen that music video?
No.
That's all he does for the video. He takes off his
picks up
shoes.
his shoes and sets them on the ground.
Yeah, in front of him as he sings and cross-legged like a hippie.
Maybe,
Hippies are always cross-legged.
What?
Huh?
Cross-legged.
Oh, I get it.
Is
Yeah,
this
it's true.
cross-legged?
Wait, I don't get it.
Guys, over here. Oh, yes. Didn't work.
That was a beautiful voice.
Uh-oh.
Who's it gonna be?
I don't think I did so good that
Not
round.
me.
Oh, Ben.
Collected bolts. Ass.
Oh,
Ooh,
enemies killed.
too. I'll give you that then.
Oh,
Yeah.
Kyle. Critters collected. Co-op
Oh.
points.
Damn it.
Kyle. Yay! Ben won. Are you happy for
Sure
him?
did.
Gorgeous. Best
And hold for edit.
fewest enemies killed for DK.
Oh man.
No, you didn't.
You didn't win.
I really
anything.
pulled through on that one.
Most deaths.
Thanks.
You won the death count.
Ah,
It was your most deaths that inspired us to win. Did it just...
no.
No.
Cinematic.
No, see, they bug tested this game.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll put me into the bushes.
Oh no.
Say, this game's been pretty awesome.
It's definitely...
It's a fun co-op.
I played it alone and I was a little worried.
Yeah.
I'll admit, going in, that I thought it was going to be a little boring, but it's all about with friends.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, have we ever played a game with all of us that we didn't have fun?
It's true.
Who's in control
I
of the
think so.
machine?
I'm pretty sure we...
Duke Nukem.
I think it has to do with us, not the game. Yeah, Duke Nukem.
But we weren't all playing it, I guess.
That's true.
A game that we've gotten further in.
We're totally not listening to this wise turtle.
Oh, yeah.
It'll tell us the importance.
Is he a turtle? With feathers for.
Ratchet. You
I feel like
saved the
turtles
whole
are wise,
universe.
so.
You're not supposed to.
That's landed on a little thick there.
Sneezed in my mask.
Kid,
Kind of funny.
I'd love to help you and your dad, but my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we
Can't
can
come out of
notify the Defense
retirement?
Force.
He's like 20.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the ephemeris raid on Totem
He's
5.
the elder.
Like many other children here.
She likes Ratchet.
She is an orphan.
Just not sure what to think.
Son of a bitch. All right.
Those are some gnarly
So where do we
eyebrows. We
find
picked
this
the right
command
character for Ben.
Toads, man. Toads.
Yeah, I'm not so
He
big on
totally
the
turns
whole
those
haunted forest.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
There you go.
Wonder what Ratchet feels
Both
like.
of those are my
What
things.
if his fur is
Put
nice
up.
and soft?
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
Look at it. It looks well made.
Probably likes his ears scratched.
What the fuck? What the shit? I knew it.
Oh, that was nefarious. Looking back, he didn't want to go, but he looked back and decided it was scary to stay with those critters.
Because they hate him.
Yeah.
According to this
Get the
satellite
things.
feed, there's a large sorting
I didn't
terminal
Let me
one
get
second
all the
north
things.
of the Dead Grove. I bet my original
go this
rotator
way.
cuff, that's where you'll find Commander Spog. This readout says it can only be accessed by a subterranean
Oh, shit,
railway
look at that.
station.
They'll roll at us.
Sorry,
Yep.
Wookiees.
The scenery's all really different too.
Yeah.
Each level.
Yeah, isn't this the best game ever, Ben?
Find this subterranean subway or something.
Someone's cranky.
It's like you don't even care about the game I made.
What?
Oh, yeah, your game.
I was trying to think of a clever name for a game you made. It didn't come fast enough.
Oh, I don't like the look of this place.
Then that was the name of
Reminds
it.
me of Florida. Trees, rocks, and
Coincidence.
It didn't come fast enough.
For once I agree.
Ah!
I've been revived after this.
Look at that thing.
Little cinema. Wow.
There you go.
According to the database, the Magnus Grove people has an armored shell not unlike the sewer-dwelling racer and the Ringa miner. If
Someone's getting cranky tonight.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
Ah!
Ah, blood.
underbelly.
Are there any bolts over here?
Get the underbelly.
Better
No,
step it up,
Fraser.
guys.
Yeah, there you go.
He's taking home all the gold. He's down. I will help you, Ratchet.
I survived that.
Ratchet just got super extra co-op bonus points.
Woohoo! Oh, suck it, teammates. Somebody else jump
Put
in.
me in my butt.
Fire when ready.
No, no! Oh my god!
Fuck's in
Wow!
You're
Holy
also
shit.
winning.
How did we both do that?
No.
That is incredible. Okay. So,
Before.
Oh wow, I can't believe we both did that. Who was the other person who did it?
I was getting launched, so it wasn't me.
yeah, I was too.
So it was Deegan and me.
Damn it, I fell.
Oh, look who's got some...
Bolt getting abilities. That's good, Bolt get.
Water.
Water cooler.
It's your
Nice.
favorite thing.
Oh, I don't want to kill it.
Just wants a conversation.
That's cute.
Son of a bitch.
That robot using some sort of munition.
Oh, no.
Come on. It's
Die
alive.
living. Gonna go over here.
Oh.
You're getting killed.
I don't care.
It's getting bolts.
Yeah.
You want to get this
Ow.
here
You
thing
can
for me?
jump, eh?
What's a jump?
They
I'll take
got
a
super extra bonus points for killing it.
Who
Should've
did?
been Kyle and Deacon.
Oh man.
The database refers
Quick
to
hammer
it
gadget.
as a
Cool.
quick hammer.
How?
Our prospectors
What a-
use
It's going to be hard to
You
switch
have to do
to
that
again.
L1.
Mega Quake should take
Someone else quick hammer.
Oh, it's like a pogo stick!
Whoa!
It's actually more
jackhammer.
like a jackhammer.
Yeah, like a grown-up's pogo stick.
X marks the spot.
Oh.
I got my X. We did it.
Nice work.
Excellent. Quake
Nice
hammering,
teamwork.
compadre.
What's this part? Guys, what? Guys! Ah.
But I'm supposed to.
Teamwork.
Now you want teamwork, huh?
Guys, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm too young and beautiful.
This one's mine.
No ammo.
Nice.
I don't like the existence of ammo in this game.
We all just shoot him
Yeah,
from
shoot
here.
him from here.
I feel like no. I think it's gonna move and then flip
We all
over.
are.
Can someone suck me so I get more life?
Yeah, they're bouncing off. It's true.
Somebody get a sucker.
You can't get more life. It's only when you're dead.
Let's roll.
Are you sure?
Ready, pal?
I am ready.
Ready.
Get ready, Ratchet.
Start shooting.
I suggest
Ow, I died. Hey, suck me up, suck me up, suck me up.
Revive.
Commence rejection.
Yeah.
President Clark is here to save you.
Ready.
I am ready.
Let's do this.
Let's move.
Slidey.
Surfing.
Everybody surfing.
That was useless.
I found ammo.
You got it 2 times. Multiplier, Fraser.
Hey, I caught one.
Yes, that was a lot.
Holy.
Just what
Whoa!
Oh, I
Whoa!
was trying to get him. I don't remember which button it was. Where we going?
You guys are
No
wasting
idea.
my 2 times multiplier right now.
Fraser death count 42. Ben 29. Kyle 34. Deacon 27. Deacon's winning the death count race.
Somehow.
Hey, over here.
Oh boy.
Oh, no.
Oh man, look at all this shit here. Hey, it's protecting it now. Guys, find a way in. Oh, we are in.
Oh, I have the stupid jackhammer going.
Now we're doing teamwork.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Oh my
still.
god. One big guy.
Come on now.
Snarf upgrade guns.
Oh, should we? I'm out of ammo now. Is there an ammo thing around here? Is it this thing? No. You guys see ammo?
Oh dear.
Woo.
We don't require ammunition.
Wait.
My superiority.
Wait, you guys are
ever
like.
in twisted.
Fraser, you got a fuckload of points.
Let's do this.
Oh, my
I
points.
died.
How do we access the store, guys, to upgrade? Not letting him over there first. You guys let him over. Oh, Ben's a little fucking Lorax.
Wasn't the Lorax against taking resources?
I don't know. He's a Lombax.
Someone help me.
Oh god,
He's got
Fraser
me
jump.
targeted.
Bobby.
Someone help me.
How much do I do? 100 or so.
Someone help me.
Help Fraser
Oh no.
All right.
Now I'm.
too. Go help Kyle. Go help Kyle.
We're all dead.
See,
Well,
that's continued teamwork.
How far back do we have to go now?
The beginning.
Beginning of the game.
Yep.
They're confused by the Lorax tomorrow.
What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking?
I say ready.
Go, boy. Not a good time to run out of ammo.
Guys, it's you gotta get behind it while it's targeting me. I can't do anything until you guys kill it.
Gotta stop being so far away.
Okay, Deacon, stop moving around this way so
Go
we
the
can
other
get
way.
behind it. Now it's got me. Okay, you guys kill it from behind. All right, now I'll kill it from behind.
Yeah.
Oh, but I
There.
got-
There we go.
That was great.
Ready. I'm gonna name you Phil.
Yeah, migraine. Huh?
There's more shit around.
Come
here.
on.
There's
Jump
more
in.
stuff around. There's animals and the likes.
I'm ready.
Snorlax.
Ready, Ratchet.
Nerflax.
Snorlax eat all the Pokemon.
Dr. Nefarious,
Pokemon
will you
reference.
assist me?
Good work, Cadet. Glory is ours.
Uh-oh.
Hey, which way are we going? You guys are going the wrong way. Oh, we gotta use this
Jacket.
fucking thing. How do you do it again? There.
Where's my X? There it is.
Go Deacon.
Uh-oh.
Did I just jump to my death?
Did I just jump to your death?
Guys, come on out here.
Uh-oh. Was that an order, Ben? Yeah!
Oh!
Oh!
Son of a bitch.
Oh. Enemies killed. Nice then. Critters
I didn't even
selected.
see any critters.
Critters.
Deacon
Wow.
wins the co-op.
Oh.
Bang!
Da-da-da-da-da!
Merry Christmas to me, eh, Ben? Thanks.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Hey, you got best looking too.
No, that's me.
Deacon's a force to
Clark.
be reckoned with. You got most bolts collected.
Yeah.
Most enemies killed
Yeah.
for Ben.
We have a lead on
We're gonna go to a break.